Welcome to Elite Service Masters, your go-to source for all things rental property management. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of being a landlord, property maintenance. Whether you're a seasoned property owner or just starting out, you'll want to stick around for this one. Rental properties can be a lucrative investment, but as any landlord knows, they come with their fair share of responsibilities. One of the most critical aspects of property management is ensuring that your rental is well maintained and repaired when needed. That's where handyman services come in, the unsung heroes of rental property maintenance. In this video, we're going to explore the ultimate guide to handyman services for rental properties in 2024 and how they can make all the difference in the success of your investment. Let's be honest. Managing repairs and maintenance can be one of the most frustrating parts of being a landlord. Whether it's the never-ending stream of maintenance requests from tenants or the challenge of finding reliable help, it's a balancing act that can leave you feeling overwhelmed. But here's the reality. Neglected maintenance can lead to costly repairs down the line, not to mention potential safety hazards. You've got to stay on top of it, but it's hard to know where to start. One of the biggest challenges landlords face is finding reliable and trustworthy handymen who can get the job done efficiently and effectively. We've all been there. No-shows, misdiagnosed problems, and shoddy workmanship. It's frustrating, and it can be hard not to take it personally. But it's not just about finding any handyman. It's about finding the right handyman who can do the job right. Another challenge is staying organized. With so many maintenance requests, invoices, and receipts, it's easy to get bogged down in paperwork. But staying organized is essential to providing a safe and comfortable living space for your tenants. You need a system in place that allows you to manage everything, from routine maintenance to emergency repairs. Now, imagine having a team of handymen ready to tackle any problem that arises. While that might sound like a dream, the reality is, you're probably working with a limited budget and a tight schedule. Prioritization becomes key. But how do you know what to prioritize first? That's where handyman services come in. They can help you navigate the complex world of property maintenance and ensure that your rental property is running smoothly. When it comes to handyman services for rental properties, you have a variety of options available. From plumbers to electricians to general repairmen, each specializes in a specific area of maintenance and can be a lifesaver when it comes to keeping your property in top condition. Take plumbing, for example. It's one of the most common maintenance requests in rental properties. Whether it's a leaky faucet or a clogged drain, plumbing problems can cause chaos and disrupt daily life for your tenants. That's why having a reliable plumber on speed dial is essential. They can diagnose the problem quickly and get your plumbing system back up and running in no time. Electrical work is another critical aspect of handyman services. From faulty wiring to flickering lights, electrical issues can be a safety hazard if not addressed promptly. A good electrician can identify the problem and fix it fast, ensuring that your tenants are safe and your property is compliant with electrical codes. And then there are the general repairmen, the jack-of-all-trades of handyman services. They can tackle anything from painting walls to fixing leaky roofs. They're the ultimate problem solvers and can help you stay on top of routine maintenance tasks. I remember a story about a landlord who had a particularly troublesome tenant. The tenant was constantly complaining about minor issues, a leaky faucet here, a faulty light switch there. The landlord was at his wit's end until he hired a handyman service to take care of the problems. The handyman was able to identify the root cause of the issues and fix them once and for all. The tenant was happy, and the landlord could finally breathe a sigh of relief. It just goes to show that sometimes all it takes is the right handyman service to turn a negative situation into a positive one. From my own experience, I've seen firsthand the positive impact that handyman services can have on a rental property. From increased tenant satisfaction to reduced maintenance costs, it's a no-brainer. That's why I'm excited to share this guide with you, to help you transform your rental property and take your property management game to the next level. Thanks for tuning in. If you've had any experiences with handyman services, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks on managing your rental properties. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow landlords. See you in the next video.